Tableau is one of the most powerful BI tools out there, but what if you didn't have to click through dashboards to get answers? In this video, we're connecting AI directly to Tableau using MCP and letting it do the analysis, the querying, and the storytelling. Let's see what that actually looks like. The problem isn't the data, it's the time it takes to get to it. Opening dashboards, building views, pulling exports. MCP changes that. It lets AI connect directly to your live Tableau environment. No custom integration. No IT ticket. Just ask and get an answer. Before any real question gets asked, the data has to be understood, so we start simple. Using Claude, we ask, what dashboards and data sources exist in this project? In one call, Tableau MCP surfaces everything. All the dashboards, all the data sources behind them, straight from the live site. No clicking through Explore, no manual digging. But a list of names only tells you so much, so we push further. Which dashboard is actually being used? Tableau MCP pulls real usage data and points straight to Superstore as the most active one. And then we go one level deeper. What is that data source actually built from? Tableau MCP breaks down the full structure automatically. The tables, how they connect, the key measures, even the calculated fields already built into the source. That's what makes everything after this possible. Before a single business question gets asked, Tableau MCP has already mapped your environment. What exists, what's being used, and what's inside it. Now the first real question. Which product subcategories are driving revenue but quietly killing our profit margins? Watch what happens here. Tableau MCP doesn't just fetch a table. It exposes the workbook structure, surfaces the right view, and hands Claude exactly the data it needs to build a full visual breakdown, right inside the chat. The answer? Tables. Nearly $207,000 in sales and a negative 8.6% margin. Bookcases and machines aren't far behind. High revenue, bleeding profit. That's the kind of finding that takes an analyst hours to surface manually. With Tableau MCP, it's a single question. And we can go deeper. Who are our top customers by revenue? And are they actually our most profitable ones? Tableau MCP pulls the data. Claude cross-references revenue against profit, and the picture gets interesting fast. Sean Miller and Becky Martin sit at the top of the revenue list but show deeply negative profit. Meanwhile, Greg Tran and Bill Schoenle, decent revenue, thinner margins, are the ones actually worth a closer look. Most teams never get this kind of customer intelligence. Not because the data isn't there, but because connecting it all takes too long. Tableau MCP just collapsed that effort into a conversation. And that's Tableau MCP with Claude. From a simple natural language question to deep, multidimensional analysis. All in one conversation. What you've just seen is the difference between having data and actually using it. Subcategory margins that were hiding in plain sight. Customer revenue that looked great until you checked the profit. Answers that used to take hours, surfaced in a single conversation. Tableau MCP doesn't change how your data is managed. It just makes it dramatically faster to get value from it. If you want to see this running on your own Tableau environment, reach out. We'd love to show you what it looks like with your data.